Hi guys, welcome back to Ahhhsoneo. I'm doing a really quick video today talking about my Louis Vuitton pochette X as well and the time I tried to clean it inside and out. Watch on if you want to see if it was an epic fail or a success. I've had this bag a really long time, and as you can see, the inside got a little bit grimy, very grimy, and the strap got extremely dark and soiled. I've had this bag since 2004. So I watched some YouTube videos where a lady talked about using uh, foaming soap to clean her strap and wipes to clean the canvas. I'm very lucky in that my canvas had zero cracks on it. It took a while to turn the pochette inside out, but I was able to clean the outside and the inside using some really heavy duty soap to really try to get all that griminess out of the fabric. And you can see here where I just went in finally with a little bit of the wipes as well. This is when the bag is starting to dry, and you can slowly see that it really did get a little better. Some of the makeup came off, the pen marks as well came off, and this is when it's drying too. This is what the bag looked like when it dried, and I have to be honest, I'm really quite happy with how the inside turned out and how the outside turned out. So what about the strap? The strap was just one thin long piece that had really patinaed and gotten really soiled over the years, and this is what it looked like even after I tried to clean it. So I'm gonna consider the strap an epic fail, and I did the next best thing, which is go on Fashionphile. So on Fashionphile, they did have the replacement straps for sale, and I was able to get one. It was sale on sale type of thing. And I have, of course, my lovely director here who will be providing some of the voiceover today. And she just wanted to chat about this little unexpected unboxing.
Buying a Fashion Pile certified item means total peace of mind for the online shopper. We go through a rigorous 6-step certification process to ensure that each and every item that we sell is not only uh, authentic, but maintains our unparalleled high standards of quality and disclosure. Buying Fashion Pile certified gives you the confidence to carry your bag with pride.
Cool. Oh, that one's upside down.
I know.
We want this bag back.
You want this bag back.
She was such a sweetheart, helping me rip through the box, taking out all the packaging. I love the packaging from Fashionphile. It's always very secure, very well wrapped up. And I love the fact that they provide a dust bag to put your items in if the items didn't originally come in with a dust bag. Now, I will say this, I did not pay attention when I made this order, but I was pleasantly surprised to see that the strap was the newest strap that came with the stitching, the little red guidelines around the strap, and also the resin around the edges. So this is from Fashionphile. It is pre-loved. There's no shame in my game, guys. If I can find it for less, then yes, I love to buy brand new, but who doesn't like to find a good deal as well? So here's what my new strap looks like. I think when you look at the comparison between the two, it really is day and night. The only issue is that this little tag here, the made in tag, is still the old leather. I'm not too worried about this because I know the new strap will patina as well, so it doesn't really bother me. I'm also not too worried about the brass bit there, the zipper pull. I'll brasso that at some point and fix it up. But I'm happy I get to use my purse as a purse again because I had taken to removing the strap. But you know, it's just like a little warning. Sometimes when we try to fix these things ourselves, it just doesn't work out and you just gotta pay the price. Thanks so much for watching Ahhhsoneo. Please subscribe.